ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am here to discuss one of the most pressing issues that our planet faces today: climate change and global warming. It is no secret that the world is currently facing a climate emergency, and we cannot afford to ignore it any longer. The scientific community has been warning us for decades about the impact that our actions are having on the environment, and it is high time that we start taking this issue seriously. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in the Earth's climate patterns. It is caused by the increase in greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, which leads to a rise in global temperatures. Global warming, on the other hand, refers specifically to the increase in Earth's surface temperature due to the increase in greenhouse gases. The effects of climate change and global warming are far-reaching and can be felt in every corner of the world. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods are becoming more frequent and intense. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and entire ecosystems are being disrupted. The impact of climate change is not limited to the environment, and it also has a significant impact on human health, food security, and the economy. The causes of climate change and global warming are largely human-made. We have been emitting greenhouse gases into the atmosphere at an unprecedented rate, primarily through the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas. Deforestation, industrial processes, and agriculture also contribute to the release of greenhouse gases. If we continue on our current path, the consequences of climate change will only worsen. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, has warned that we have less than a decade to take action before the effects of climate change become irreversible. We need to act now if we want to prevent the worst-case scenarios from becoming a reality. So, what can we do to address climate change and global warming? The solution lies in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and transitioning to a more sustainable, low-carbon economy. This will require a collective effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. Governments have a crucial role to play in addressing climate change. They can enact policies and regulations that encourage the use of renewable energy sources, promote energy efficiency, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The Paris Agreement, signed by 197 countries, is an important step in the right direction. It aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with a goal of limiting it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. However, more needs to be done to ensure that these targets are met. Businesses also have a responsibility to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. They can do this by implementing sustainable practices, using renewable energy sources, and investing in clean technologies. Consumers can also play a role by making more sustainable choices in their daily lives, such as using public transport, reducing food waste, and consuming less meat. However, addressing climate change and global warming requires a collective effort from everyone. We need to work together to make the necessary changes to our lifestyle and economic systems. It is not too late to act, but we need to act fast. In conclusion, climate change and global warming are among the most urgent challenges that our planet faces today. The consequences of inaction are severe and will be felt for generations to come. We need to take action now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a more sustainable, low-carbon economy. This will require a collective effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. Let us work together to ensure a better future for ourselves and for the generations that will come after us. Thank you.